Robbery in the state of Missouri is anytime someone uses force to steal from another. Now, one of the most common things that I get asked is, what exactly is robbery? And what about all these other crimes that it could be? And robbery oftentimes can go hand in hand with a lot of other crimes. For instance, if you use force to steal from somebody else, stealing's involved in that, right? You go into a gas station with a gun and say, give me all the money, and they give you the money. Well, that's stealing money. Additionally, if you go into a gas station with a gun and say, give me all your money, you're also committing a burglary. You've entered into an establishment, a building, and committed a crime. So robbery is one of those charges that we oftentimes see stacked with a lot of other cases. But robbery is usually the lead one because it's the most serious. Robbery, first degree, is a 85% crime in the state of Missouri. That means any term of years you get, you're going to serve 85% before you're eligible for parole. So it's very, very serious when my clients are charged with robbery. I've seen robberies range from the gun example that I just gave, but I've also seen situations where somebody has shoplifted at Hobby Lobby and walked out and pulled out an X-Acto knife, and the prosecutor has charged robbery in that case because they are using a weapon to commit a crime, stealing. So robbery can include a great variety of things. Now, if we're dealing with a robbery of a gas station with a handgun, that's totally different than that X-Acto knife situation that I just explained. And the results on those two things can be very, very different. For instance, one, you might be looking at potentially probation, maybe. The other, you're looking at a very long time in Department of Corrections. So it's going to be very fact specific. And the sooner an attorney gets involved in it, the sooner we can start minimizing the damage. What that means is we can start looking at ways to get somebody out of custody. We can start looking at ways to get them back working, to make them a productive member of society. Because if an attorney comes in near the end of the case at a trial situation, well, then it's win big, lose big. But if we come in early, we might be able to start laying the groundwork that could potentially convince a judge not to send somebody to prison. And that's something that we have to look at in every single case that's so much is riding on the line at a trial.